Yo, what is up, guys? Today we're going to buy this item called the Blizzard Beast mode. Yeah, the Blizzard Beast mode bandana. And I'm gonna buy it. It's a real limited. I hope my wrap value goes high. And I don't have premium, so I can't trade away. Can't trade, can't do anything, so yeah. Still, you guys, I know you can't even scam me, bro. And yeah, we're gonna buy it. I have this much Robux, so let's see the price, 2,750. We're going to create a pass called test. Test, here we go. And sales. Item for sale, 270.50. That's for the for other country or regions, Morocco, Japan, Philippines, Australia, regional price. So apparently, yeah, America Airlines. So yeah, we're going to buy it in a sec. First of all, I'm gonna get the ID. Okay. I'm gonna get the ID. We're getting the ID. I'm about to buy that. I'm about to buy it. RIP to... This is how much Robux I would have left. Dude. See my Transastic. The graph table. We're gonna buy it. Ready? This is a huge pain. I'm wasting most of my Robux. But I'm using the 40% method. Alright, let's start. I'm gonna use the 40% method, guys. Ready? I'm about to buy it. I hate wasting so much Robux. Ready? Okay, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I just purchased it. I purchased it. Oh my god, I just purchased it. I actually did purchase it. I'm not kidding. I just purchased it. Oh my gosh. I actually did purchase it, bro. I actually did. Guys, I actually did purchase it, bro. Oh my, RIP to all my Robux. No, no. Alright, I guess I'm gonna make an outfit with it, and I hope I got my Robux back. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you on the next one.